spent like an hour making collages. They're really fun. But now the museum closes in an hour, so giggles. Yeah. Hi guys, we're at the Cleveland Modern Art Museum. We're coloring houses. That's fine. I'm giving up. What's our plan today? I don't really know. From here on out. This was the only thing I had. Well, bowling maybe at Mahalls for the concert.
I'm really good at bowling.
I'm not, but like it's fun.
I'm either really bad or really good.
It's like big bowling too. It's like the big balls. It's not like the little piggies.
Whoa, pause.
Big balls. Big balls.
Wow. We're in the Airbnb. It's so fucking nice. 1 bedroom. Is there 2 bathrooms or just 1? Another bedroom. Nice little kitchen. Love to see. Wow. So cute. I love the mural.
I know.
Like, shut up. And there's also games and stuff.
Oh my god.
Left, right, center. Oh my god, we can gamble. What if these are locked? Oh, no. The one in Toronto, a lot of doors were locked. There's just a mystery. Like, I would buy this house. I'm sleeping here. Making Mars sleep over here. Really cute.
I hope my Mahalls boyfriend is at Mahalls tonight. Please come home to me.
Leave land. Felt myself start cramping. I'm gonna kill both of you.
I think we should kill her.
I agree.
We love Mahalls. We got the perky burger, the PBR. We got a vegan burger here. We got another perky burger. And we got another, what's it?
The rodeo burger.
Rodeo burger with some yummy looking fries over here. Purr.
Thank you so much. How you guys feeling? You guys excited for Heart Attack, man? Oh, we got it. Michael Wayne. All right. Place to Let's go. Chocolate.
guys, fit check. I'm wearing this little skirt with these tights that are totally ripped out of the ass. Artisan hoodie for the time being, but then I have a black shirt. But I'm probably taking this off because now we're gonna drive downtown because I have the ability to drive. Okay, bodysuit and skirt, but it looks just like a mini dress. These tights that are also ripped. Well, yours are in the ass, mine's ripped in the crotch. Not yeah. Oversized button up. This necklace thingy, purse. I think I covered everything. Jeans, black button up, little tank top, another tank top because it's cold, necklaces from various places, jean jacket from Sarah's closet, and Converse. Okay. Water again. The emo Aries, or Leo. And Aries. Yeah, and then we're going to Rock and Roll Hall of Fame, West End Market. We're gonna Korean barbecue potentially, or a dingy bar, who knows. Ohio Pie, maybe go to a cocktail class, like, the day's young. It is only 10 a.m. Yeah. Yay! I wonder if arm's length is in it. So excited for the Minion ride. I'm gonna play Dirge by Arm's Length. And that's a Dirge! I'm scared. Wait. People hear it?
No.
They don't.
This is very
Wait, how do
soundproof.
you like, hold on. Okay.
Yeah, go! Oh my god.
I have an audience.
Yeah.
I'm trying to think of a song off the top of my head. I can't think of anything. No, exactly right. Thank you for coming to my show. It is fun to hit, I will say.
This is water park. I'm auto one, guys.
I just dragged Mars to go watch kindergartners sing. Sarah and Liv did not participate.
I went to retrieve her and I didn't know where y'all went.
Oh yeah, we watched the kindergarten sing their song. It was really cute. You guys, giant stamp. What's the history of the giant stamp? Oh, okay. Hi vlog. This is the most underwhelming vlog I've ever filmed in my life because I keep forgetting to film.
but we're at the Airbnb. We had an outfit change. I'm wearing the original outfit that I had on earlier, but then I changed into the emo fit. But now I'm back into like the.
Did you do
the earthy fit. I did. Yeah. So yeah, I got my dock sandals on because I'm tired of wearing my Converse. So I kind of look goofy. Ohio pie. This location's small. Oh, can you only? Oh, you can't even eat here. Damn. We all got our little pizzas, but Sarah got the mystery pizza.
You got the Nick's pick, which is basically you get what you get. So, meat lovers.
Hey,
That's what it looks like. I don't know.
that's not. I mean, solid.
Solid.
I
ain't mad.
really fucking good.
I got the barbecue pizza.
I also got barbecue pizza.
Slay, and Liv got the pineapple. Oh, Hawaiian. That
Paradise, yeah.
what is that cheese?
I got ricotta cheese on it, yeah.
5,
5, 6, 9, 10. Freaking cars.
You guys see your shit? I got I got a spicy gringo. It's like a mango spicy. Yeah, it's good.
It's like a green chili infused vodka.
Diet and rum. Seltzer.
Rum and
Alright, who's going?
the best is
Oh, yeah! Kill him!
I'm gonna do a fit check.
Girl. Here we go again. Actually, wait, I have a picture with my old best friend. We're like doing this. I love bowling. Guys, so I am 2 bus balls in and a cocktail from Mahalls. I'm 2 rum and jokes. Cheers. I love Lakewood, Ohio. I love Lakewood, Ohio. What? This is crazy. This is crazy. This is crazy. My heart is racing. Yeah, my ass is. There's heat lightning. Heat lightning. Fuck. Why is it so fucking steep? Holy shit. You have to climb the ladder?
Yeah.
You're fucking crazy, Sarah. You're bananas. Where are you? Sarah! Was it scary? Sarah. Sarah. This is.
I can hear you perfectly.
Wait, you said you move slow? That's even scarier.
Yeah, that's why I just kind of died.
Hi guys, today's Sunday. We are going home today, but we are going to go to West End Market and see what we can find to do before we head home. We're stopping at my house for Mother's Day, and then we're gonna see Felix in Autumn and my cats, and I'm very excited. This is the outfit. It's all thrifted, which is really, really cute. It's this little dress from Aerie, I believe, and the top's from American Eagle, but I thrifted it all. I have a bow in my hair. I just don't know if I like properly put it in. I can't tell. West End Cafe going crazy over here. Whoa. Whoa. Oh yeah.